20. Okay, so what is common here? Common in these multiples of 2 and multiples of 5. So in these numbers, the common number is 10. So you write the common number in between that. Okay, so this is how you represent the Venn diagram, the data in the Venn diagram. So we have completed, we have practiced too many examples. Now we will do some work, guys, in the notebook. Take out our notebooks and we will do some work. Okay, take out the notebook. On the top of the page, write the heading Venn diagram, and also write the page number, that is 80. Okay, and we will start work now. We will start work now. Did you take out your notebook, guys?
Sir,
Yes,
I cannot found my notebook. I bring paper.
Okay, later on you will copy it down in your notebook.
Sir, what's the day?
Date is today,
I'm ready,
29th
sir.
March. Okay, here I'm not mentioning the date, but I can show it here, 29 March. Okay, now I'm going to write, this is the main heading, guys, for Venn diagram. Now I'm going to write about, there will be a side heading also, guys. This is the topic name. Now I'm going to write the side heading, Venn diagram. First, I'm going to write the definition of it. What is Venn diagram, guys? I told you, a way of sorting things according to, a way of sorting things according to their different features. A way of sorting things according to their different features. Example, I'm going to write this: 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 8. 3, 9, 15. 6, 12, 18. 6, 12, 18. So guys, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 18, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So can you identify this circle A is representing which one? Can you name them? Yes, first one.
Wait, I don't finish.
First one is
Multiples of 2.
multiples of 2.
Multiples of 2, multiples of 2, multiples of 2.
Very good. I did not write all. I can write all also. 2, 4, 6, 8. If you want, you can write 10 and 12 or 15, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And let's write one more, 21. So these are multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. And what about the circle B, guys? Can you tell me about the circle B? Can you label it? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Please wait. Multiply of 3. Multiples of 3. Please wait, sir.
Multiples of 3.
Multiple of 2 and multiples of
Very good. Guys, you can use any round thing, any thing which is in circle. Coin is not appropriate. Coin is quite small. You can use any cap for making circle, okay? And this is multiples of 3. How do you know it is multiples of 3, guys? Because 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, you check out that these all are multiples of 3. So you named it that it is multiples of 3. So a way of sorting things according to their different features. Example, we have multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Okay. These all are multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14, 16, 18. These all are multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. But what is the common here in multiples of 2 and multiples of 3? 6 is the number which is multiple of 2 as well and multiple of 3 as well. 12 is the number which is multiple of 2 as well and multiple of 3 as well. And 18 is the number which is also multiples of 2 and also multiples of 3. Otherwise, these numbers are only multiples of 2 and these numbers are only multiples of 3. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Very, 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 very clear, sir.
Very clear.
That's very good.
Okay.
Now what you have to do, guys, you have to write it, you have to draw it, and then we will move to the book question. Guys, I am not going to write question here. So you don't need to write question. We will just write question number and we will solve it. Okay. So we'll start from here now. Question number 1, A. From book. Question number 1A from book. Okay. What is question number 1A, guys? Question number 1A is, the labels are missing from this Venn diagram. What would you write on the new labels? Okay. So this is very easy, guys. The labels are missing. You can see 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 30. These all are multiples of 3. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. These all are multiple of 5. So you can easily give them name and you can do this. 1A. Answer. What you need to do, guys, here, you need to draw Venn diagrams again. And you have to label them. Can you do it, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No,
Yes,
sir. No,
yes,
sir.
yes,
No,
yes,
sir.
yes,
No,
yes,
sir.
yes,
No,
yes.
sir.
Okay, I repeat again, guys, what you have to do here. The labels are missing from this Venn diagram. What would you write on the new labels? So look at the first circle, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 30. Can you give the name of this circle? Yes?
Multiples of 3.
Multiples of 3.
Multiples of three.
Very good.
Multiples of 3,
No,
multiples of
Three.
3.
Very good.
Multiples of 3, sir. Multiples of 3,
Very
multiples of
good. Very
3.
good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Multiples of
Multiple
3.
of three.
Very good. This is multiples of 3. And what about this one? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. Can you name it?
Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5.
Yes, sir.
Units 5,
Multiple of
multiples
five.
of 5, multiples of 5.
Very good. So for in the answer, you will write this, and here you will write multiples of 3, and here you will write multiples of 5. So that's the thing we are going to do here also. I'm going to draw 2 circles. So I draw 2 circles here, guys, and I'm going to write here numbers. Three, 6, 9, 12, 15. Sorry, 15 should be there. And 5, 10, 25, 35. And what is the common here? Common is 15 and 30. This is the common. So these all are multiples of 3. And these all are multiples of 5. These all are multiples of 5. So I'm going to write the name. Multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. This is the answer, guys. Clear? Here you label them.
How we should label?
Yes, sir.
We should
Just write it multiples of 3 or multiples of 5. In this way you can label it.
So we should to draw. I finished
Yes.
writing the view. I finished writing this view. Can you write that?
Sorry, I did not get.
Yes, sir.
Finish?
I don't get how.
It's very easy.
I don't get how we will label. Can you label it with us?
Emma Jibrail, there is no big deal in labeling. You just need to give the name. Labeling means you need to give the name to this circle and this circle. You have to identify by yourself. Here, when you check page number 80, you have to identify by yourself. You check the circle, it is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 30. This circle is having 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. So adding 3, that's mean they all are multiples of 3. So you are going to give the name that this is multiples of 3. For the next circle, you will check it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. In the green circle, you are adding 5, 5, 5, 5. You're counting in 5. That's mean they are multiples of 5. Okay. So you give them name in the question and you say this is multiples of 3 and this is multiples of 5. This is the answer. Okay.
Okay, I write multiples of 5, multiples of 3. I finished.
Okay, that's very good. Guys, coming to the question number 1B. 1B is saying copy the Venn diagram and add in the numbers 13, 14, 16, 17, 11, 18, 19, and 45. Explain why some of the numbers are outside the circle. Now what you have to do, guys, you have to draw this Venn diagram again. Okay. Again, you have to draw, but you have to write these numbers like 13. If 13 belongs to multiples of 3, write here. If 13 belongs to multiples of 5, write in multiples of 5 here. If 13 is the one who belongs to multiples of 3 as well and 5 as well, then you write in the middle, the common area. Same, you will check 14. If 14 belongs to multiples of 3, right here. If 14 belongs to multiple of 5, right here. And if 14 belongs to both multiples of 3 and 5, then you will write in the common area. And if it does not belongs to multiples of 3 and multiples of 5 both, so you will write it outside the circle. It will not be into the circle. Do you understand, guys, how you have to do it?
Yes, I understand.
Yes,
I'm doing it now.
Sir, but we will write 3, 6, 9, 12.
Very good. What you will do, you will just write here like you will go and you will write here 1B. Question 1B. The question is 1B. You will write question 1B. You will draw this Venn diagram again. And then you will adjust these numbers in this Venn diagram. Question 1B, answer. Okay. What you have to do here, you have to adjust these numbers. The numbers are 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, and 18. Okay. So I'm going to draw again a circle. And there one more circle. Okay. Now I'm going to write same numbers here. 3, 6, 9, 12. Here 5, 10, 25, 35. Here 15 and 30. These are multiples of 3. I'm going to give them name. Multiples of 3. Guys, you have to do it in your notebook, okay? These are multiples of 3. And these are multiples of 5. Okay, these are multiples of 3 and these are multiples of 5. You have to adjust the number that are 13. I'm writing here the number. You don't need to write here, just for adjusting I'm writing here 13, 14, 15. I think 13, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. 18. Yes, guys, where should I write 13? Tell me now.
There is nine.
Outside, say.
Outside the circle. Why? Because 13 is neither a multiple of 3 nor a multiple of 5. So I will write 13 outside the circle. Let's suppose I write 13 here. Okay. And what about 14? Where should I write 14, guys?
Outside.
14 outside.
Outside.
Very good. Why outside? Because 14 is also neither a multiple of 3 nor a multiple of 5. What about 16, guys? Where should I write 16?
Multiple of six.
Of 3. Multiple of 3.
16.
Outside.
It is not 15. It is 16. 16. 1, 6. 16.
Outside.
Out of the circle. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So we will write 16 also outside. And what about 17?
Outside.
Outside. Very good. So we will write 17 also outside. And what about 18? What about 18?
It is only three. Outside.
Tell me, I should write in the multiples of 3 or in multiples of 5 or in common area?
And multiple of three.
Common
In multiples of 5. Multiple.
18 is a multiple of 3, but it is not a multiple of 5. That's why I will write 18 here. If 18 is a multiple of, if there is a number like 45, so I will write 45 here, because 45 is a multiples of 3 also and multiples of 5 also. Now 19 and 45. The next number is 19. So 19 we will write also outside. And 45 is the multiple of 3. So we will write 45 here. So this is the answer, guys. This is your answer. These all are outside the circle because they are not multiple of 3 and not multiple of 5, and they all are multiples of 3, they all are multiples of 5, and you have to write here the reason. So you will write 13, 14, 16, 17, and 19 are outside the circle because they are not multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. This is the explanation. Clear, guys?
Sir, you're right.
Yes.
107.
Yes, sir.
119.
Very good. Guys, our class time is finished. I will upload it in Classera course material. You can copy it down from there. And inshallah, tomorrow we will have some worksheets also, guys. For Venn diagram, we will do these worksheets. Okay. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.